Let's say I give you two standard normal distributed variables x and y, and additionally I tell you that x and y, these are uncorrelated. Now this is something which you can also observe from the scatter plot of x and y. Let's say your task at hand requires you to work with two correlated standard normal variables and not uncorrelated variables. For this purpose, I can choose x to be my first variable, and I can actually create a new variable z which indeed follows the standard normal distribution and let's say has this specified correlation with the first variable, and that is x. The trick here is to create z as a linear combination of x and y, with the weight for x being the specified correlation rho and the weight for y being the square root of 1 minus rho squared. You can use your knowledge of basic statistics to actually prove this, that z constructed in this manner indeed follows the standard normal distribution and also has this specified correlation rho with the first variable x. To see this in action, let's work with a specific value of rho. Let it be plus 0.75. In this case, this is how z will be constructed. And if I were to plot the scattered plot of x and z, it comes out to be this tilted ellipse which has been stretched along this positively sloped direction. This gives me this visual comfort that indeed the correlation between x and z is this specified value of plus 0.75. If I repeat the same exercise, this time for rho is equal to minus 0.75, in which case this is how z will be constructed, again the scatter plot between x and z gives me this visual comfort that the correlation between x and z is this negative value of minus 0.75. Now, why does all this matter? Well, I can extend whatever we've discussed for these two uncorrelated variables x and y to the case of uncorrelated Brownian motions. And this is exactly what happens in the Gauss plus model. In this model, the model tries to correlate the innovations or shocks to the medium-term factor to the innovations or shocks to the long-term factor using exactly this technique.